Imaginein mo, nagvi-video ka sa gabi tapos pag-check mo ng footage, kita yung background pero yung mukha mo halos hindi na. Hindi naman sira yung action camera mo, kulang lang talaga sa light. Dito ko makikita yung pinaka-practical na use case ng Telesin Magnetic Quick Release Fill Light. For compatible DJI Osmo Action 6 and Osmo Nano setups, pwede mong i-mount yung light using its magnetic quick release system. So, kapag kailangan mo ng additional illumination, attach mo lang and you're ready to shoot. May 25 LED beads at 5 brightness levels. Kaya pwede mong piliin yung levels na mas appropriate sa situation. Hindi kailangan na laging maximum, lalo na kung malapit lang yung subject mo. Halimbawa, nagvo-vlog ka sa restaurant, nagre-record ka ng quick selfie video sa gabi, or gumagawa ka ng action footage habang nagta-travel. Instead na umasa completely sa street light, room lights, or kung anong available lighting sa paligid, may maliit kang dedicated light na kasama sa setup. And because it's IPX5 water resistant, mas bagay din siya sa outdoor shooting conditions where water spray or rain can happen. Just remember, water resistant doesn't mean designed for underwater use. So, kung Action 6 or Osmo Nano user ka, at kung gusto mong mas prepared sa low light situations, this is the type of small accessory na madaling magkaroon ng actual use. Check mo yung product link para makita mo yung current price at details.